अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आने वाले तमाम लोगों को मेरी तरफ से खुशामदीद। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। मेरे चैनल का नाम है हिंद हेल्थ इनसाइट्स प्रो। और जिन्होंने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब या बेल आइकन का बटन दबाना नहीं भूले तो प्लीज़ वो जल्द से जल्द मेरे चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब भी करें और बेल आइकन का बटन भी दबाएं। आज की जो हमारी वीडियो है उसका टॉपिक है, पहले हम उसको रीड आउट करते हैं, डेफिनेशंस एंड एक्सप्लेनेशंस, जिसमें हम आज रीड करेंगे। A definition is a statement of the meaning of a tie or other set of symbols. Definitions can be classified into two large categories. First क्या है? Intentional definition, which try to give the sense of a term. And the second है extensional definition, वो कहती है which try to list the objects that a term describes. Another important category of definitions is the class of ostensive definitions, which convey the meaning of a term by pointing out examples. A term may have many different senses and multiple meanings, and this require multiple definitions. A definition is used to give a precise meaning to a new term by describing a condition which unambiguous qualifies what a mathematical term is or not. Definitions and acquisitions form the basis on which all the modern mathematics is to be constructed. In modern using, a definition is something is typically expressed in words that attaches and the meaning to a word or group of words. The word or group of words that is to be defined is called the definitions, and the word group of words or actions that defines it is called the defines. For example, in the definition, an elephant is a large grey animal native to say Asia and Africa. The word elephant is the definidium, and the everything after the word is the definines. The definines is not the meaning of the word defined, but instead something that conveys the same meanings as that word. There are many subtypes of definition, often specific to a given field of knowledge or study. These include, among many others, Luxley definitions or other common dictionary definitions of words already in our language. Demonstrative definitions, which define something by pointing to an example of it. This said while pointing to a large grey animal is Asia elephant, and the precision definitions. A genus. Different definitions is type of intentionally definitional takes a large category, the genus, and then narrows it down to a smaller category by a distributing characteristics. The definition, more formally a genus. Differential definition consists of a genus or family. An existing definition that serves as the portion of a new definition are definitions with the same genus or considered members of that genus. The differentiation, the portion of the new definition that is not provided by the genus, are, for example, considered the following genus or differentiate definition: a triangle plan figure that has three strategies. Plane figure that has three straight bounding sides. A quadrilateral, a plane figure that has a four straight bounding sides. Those definitions can be expressed as a genus, a plane figure, and two different that has three strategies bounding sides and that has a four strategies bounding sides respectively. One important form of the extensional definition is definitions. This gives the meaning of a term by pointing, in the case of an individual, to the thing itself, or in case of a class, to example of the right kind. For example, one can explain who allies individual is by pointing here out to another, and the word rabbit is by pointing at several and expecting another understand. The process of the ostensive definition itself was critical, appraised by the Lloyd Wittgenstein as an econometric definition concept or term, as an extensional definition that gives an explicit and executive listing of all the objects that all fall are under the concept or term in questions. Enumerative definitions are only possible for finite seeds. In fact, only practical for relatively small assets. नाज़रीन, यहाँ तक हमारी एक वीडियो थी कंप्लीट, और जिन्होंने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल और बेल आइकन का बटन दबाना ना भूलिएगा। तब तक के लिए नाज़रीन अपना और अपने घर वालों का ख्याल रखिएगा।